Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Kik account. For that, first of all, open up your Kik app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of login. Tap on it. Now tap on forgot. Enter your username or your email and then tap on go. After that, you'll receive a link to change your password on your mail. So open up your mail. There you can see the option of change your password. Tap on it. You need to now open with browser. You can use any browser you want. For now, I'm going to open with Google. Set a new password and re-enter your password to confirm it. And when you are done, tap on go. Your password has now been changed. Now go back to your app and then log in with your new password. This way you can recover Kik account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.